How risky is investing in the stock market? What mitigates the risk? When it comes to investing in the stock market, risk is that guest that always shows up uninvited. But like any gatecrasher, if you know how to deal with it, you can manage the party just fine. Risk in the stock market is twofold. There's the risk of losing some or all of your money, and there's the risk of missing out, the famous FOMO. The market has a notoriously uneven temperament, swinging from exuberant to despondent on the turn of a dime, or the tweet of a president. Volatility is the bread and butter of the stock market. One day you're the king of the hill, the next you might be scraping pennies. It's a bit like Portland's weather, unpredictable at best and sometimes leaving you soaking wet without an umbrella. That being said, how risky is it? Well, it's as risky as you make it. Play your cards like a hot-headed gambler and you'll feel the burn. But approach investing like crafting a good coffee, methodical, with a hint of patience, and you've got a better chance of enjoying the brew. To mitigate the risk, diversify. It's the investing equivalent of not putting all your voodoo donuts in one box. Spread your investments across different sectors, industries, and even asset classes. Some prefer the council of index funds, those beautiful, slow-moving beasts that mirror the wider market's performance and are less prone to dramatic ups and downs. Then there's the time-honored tradition of due diligence. Know your companies like your favorite hidden trails in the Columbia River Gorge. Scrutinize balance sheets and earnings reports like you're checking the forecast before heading up Mount Hood. Of course, the rule of thumb is only investing what you can afford to lose. Don't be that person who remortgages the house for a hot tip. Those stories often end with instant noodles for dinner, every night. And let's not forget the all-important time horizon. Long-term investing generally smooths out the bumps along the way. The stock market is a lot like Multnomah Falls, best appreciated if you're not in a rush and prepared for the occasional spray. In essence, investing in the stock market carries inherent risk, but that risk can be managed with a blend of diversification, research, and patience, sprinkled with a healthy dose of common sense. Do it right, and it's less of a wild roller coaster and more of a scenic bike ride through the Willamette Valley. Some uphill stretches, sure, but with plenty of exhilarating downhills too.